Keeping your hands safe and protected throughout the top combat situation is extremely important. Anyone who goes outside or would like to stay protected could use a decent pair of technical gloves. These gloves works great for their awesome level of protection. They have used it for anything from shooting, combat, hiking, riding, or cycling. Keeping a pair of technical gloves keeps your hands safe and protected from wounds. If you ever go outside using a pair of technical gloves, it may be a great option for you. You're all about the logistic of how you're gonna carry out the goals and recreational activities. If you're a frequent visitor in the shooting range or you're just spending time with a kid in the paintball area, technical gloves are going to be the best friend that you've ever known that you needed. Here's the quick list of top 5 picks for technical gloves, so let's check it out.
Here top of zone. We are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
The Mechanix or technical, especially the Tempest, flame-resistant gloves are an outstanding pair of gloves to own. Designed with Nomex to provide you the technical gloves critical flame resistant for those unexpected hot spots. You never know when you will encounter fire, so it is good to be prepared. Also, these have 3-dimensional patterns that form all around your head for the ideal fit. These gloves are used godskin leather for the plum and deliver an extra flame resistant to protect your hands from unnecessary burn. Its high dexterity 0.6mm FR godskin leather backed with FR cotton protects your plum. You need high dexterity technical gloves to use weapon, tools and guns. These gloves are also filtered with internal layer of FR cotton to provide you a little extra flame resistant because every little bit helps. Not only are these technical gloves fire resistant, but also they are touchscreen capable and you won't have to remove them to use your phone. Overall, these flame resistant technical gloves are designed tough enough to protect SWAT team and the military all over the world, and they will work for you as well. The Techliner Technical Hard Knuckle gloves are clearly outstanding with a number of high reviews. They come in black, made primarily out of polyester and microfiber fabric. These gloves have reinforced shirts to ensure the durability. The real standout with these gloves is a Kevlar lining provide you an awesome edge in fact of shape object and extreme heat. They also have hanging loop to store come of your essential and are touchscreen compatible at the thumb and index fingerprints. With the sticky knuckles that drivers you extra impact while throwing a punch, the glove offers technical advantage in all areas. This contains an all-around double snitching and reinforced anti-slip plums. The plum stripes can make the gloves fit tighter and improve the dexterity. This is clearly some nice work by Techliner. Overall, the Techliner caliber technical gloves are amazingly fixable, which will allow you to perform a variety of tasks in the field. The Frido technical leather gloves features composite PVC padded knuckles and thermometal plastic rubber finger panels. One of the benefits this type of glove brings the perfect protection top to the list. These gloves come with a reinforced plum and double snitching for heavy duty. The padded plums are there to protect your hand from abrasion. They are designed to protect users from burn, cuts, scalps, and other injuries. They have double layer for durability and microfiber plant for better grip while working out, climbing, biking, and etc. They're available in sizes ranging from a small tooth, a XXX large, or have a static mesh fabric on the fingers. Also, they have fixable enough to use for shooting sport. Plastics come with the breathable materials to enable your fingers to have recourse airflow within those gloves. As a result, you use it both hot summer and the midwinter. Moreover, this company also provides you 180 days of warranty in case you have any issues overall. They delivers a comfortable grip on tools, are fixable enough to move hardware, and very protective. If you're a soldier or a planner of shooting or just engaging in rough activities, you will need to have a gear for protection. Technical gears are critical in keeping you safe when using a gun. Being prepared or having the necessary protection means having the right combat great for your needs. Glove situation technical rubber knuckle gloves are reinforced around the knuckle area for include protection. They have double snitch seams for longevity and PU leather plum and fingerprints for added grip. You can also use the touchscreen device while wearing those gloves. The gloves are designed to promote airflow via the padded mesh and rubber arrow bands on the back of the head. They have fixable narrow pin joints in the pyramid and wide range of motion. Plus, the company also delivers a lifetime warranty, demonstrating its confidence in the product. Overall, if you want a glove that will not lead to the gun slip off your palm, this pair has been enhanced with a rough inner palm clothing that improves the general grip. You can therefore be assured of convenience when out in the field. PIG makes some impressive technical gloves for men and extremely well made. You can get these gloves in one of 4 colors and 5 sizes ranging from small to extra large. The variety is an awesome thing to see in technical gloves for sure. The main reason these are the best is because they have been proven to meet specific needs of United States Special Operations Soldier. They're made from a combination of quality materials to deliver exceptional dexterity and undeniable durability. They have knuckle padding, but have kept their padding compact to make sure they can still reach inside of your pocket for more ammunition without getting stuck. Plus, they are really shorter gloves because they are designed added to one single layer on the index finger to aid your shooting grip. Other great design features add breathability and fingertip design to prevent some of the getting under your nails. Also, they even provide the touchscreen compatibility so you can access your GPRS or other device effortlessly. Overall, the PIG technical gloves are known around the world as the best technical gloves for shooting.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.